So you have a problem and you need help. STAT. Cold or frozen pipes and valves need to be thawed or heated. The viscosity has been compromised, production is slowed, and maintenance or repairs will be costly due to stopped-up fluid handling systems. BriskHeat can provide the solution, the portable BriskHeat HSTAT heating tape. Unlike hard-to-use heating tape cable, these true tapes allow simple yet safe portable surface heat trace. Along with being the most flexible heating tape on the market, this convenient unit also includes a built-in adjustable temperature controller. The rugged, long-lasting, multi-wire stranded fiberglass knitted heating element eliminates failure that comes from flexing fatigue and breakage. The outer silicone rubber sheath is resistant to moisture and chemicals while providing a second dielectric protective layer, and the 6-foot power cord ensures even greater protection for a truly versatile, safe product. This easy-to-use all-in-one plug and heat system will keep your production flowing freely.